Joe Garris here with an Agent Mastermind web marketing system training tutorial. Today I want to talk to you about the time zone and the actual time that displays on your Agent Mastermind pages. I'm going to click on that so you can actually see what I'm talking about, and you'll see that mine is set up incorrectly, and it's set up incorrectly on purpose. So if you scroll down here, you'll see that actually, I apologize, it is actually set up correctly. So 9 a.m. Pacific. I'm going to show you how to change that for yours. By default, this is going to show as noon Eastern. So you want to go in and make a couple of quick changes. And I apologize, currently we have the two parts of that. There's a database tag that populates that information, and it's separated in terms of the time is in one place and the actual time zone is in another. I believe the reason the programmers probably did that was because the time zone in the future is going to be used for lots of different things, whereas the actual time for that event is only going to be used in one place. You have to change both. So if you click on Site Manager, we're going to change the time zone. Then click on Company. And then we're going to scroll down to the time zone selection. And you're going to have, now you're going to see a lot of different options here. There's only 4 main ones, but you're going to see a lot of options because some areas do not observe daylight savings. I believe that's why this is set up. I actually haven't asked the programmers, but it only makes sense the reason why they would have it this way. So these are the 4 you're going to use. Eastern time, you're going to use America, New York. Then you're going to use Chicago for Central, Denver for Mountain, and then Pacific, you're going to use America, Los Angeles. Now, don't select the Pacific. So make sure you select the America, Los Angeles. So that's the first part of this. And so I'm going to go ahead. I'm actually on Eastern. So I'm going to go ahead and change this so you can see how this works. So when I save that, now when I go to this page, you're going to actually see that it's going to say 9 a.m. Eastern, which would be incorrect. So I'm going to show you how to change that other part here. So now we see it says 9 a.m. Eastern. So what we're going to do is go back into Site Manager, and then we're going to go to the Configure tab. We're going to the Agent Mastermind Configuration tab. So Configure and then Agent Mastermind. So that's Site Manager, Configure, Agent Mastermind, and we are going to set the time. Now make sure that you select AM, not PM here, unless it's 12 noon PM. So I'm going to select mine to 12 noon. So that would be 11 a.m. for Mountain, 10 a.m. for Central, 9 a.m. for Pacific. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to save. And that's how you actually set your time zone. And we've also started putting in the time zone tag within your email. So it's very important that you actually change that time zone to make sure that it's correct for your area. So we also have that. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to, there's a brand new section here on this configuration page for the email header and email footer. We're giving you some additional options as well. So I'm going to do a quick video on that also.